The user experience is excellent. Although there is no signal in some areas, it is understandable. The internet connection is smooth and there are no problems. The internet connection is smooth and there are no problems. The internet connection is smooth and there are no problems. The connection was solid and I was able to use the internet, social media, maps, etc. without any issues. I would definitely use it again if I have the opportunity to go there again. During my trip to Guam and Saipan, I encountered no problems using eSIM. The speed was smooth. I scanned the QR code before leaving the country according to the instructions and activated it in Guam. I will continue to apply for and use it in the future. It was easy to set up and use. I'll definitely use it on my next trip. The network is remarkably stable with virtually no dead zones, and it comes with a built-in phone number, making it incredibly convenient for booking restaurants, calling taxis, and contacting hotels. I entered the information beforehand, and it worked immediately after I got off the plane. There were no signal interruptions during the process, only 1 or 2 times when it was a bit slow. Worked well the entire time with good service, no issues. What is an eSIM? I was in a state where I didn't know, but I was able to use it without any problems. It was great that I could use tethering and voice calls. Next time I go abroad, I will definitely use an eSIM. I received the voucher quickly after placing the order. Scanning the QR code above allows me to install and set it up in Taiwan. Upon arrival, I adjusted the settings and it was ready to use immediately, very convenient. There were no issues using it. Occasionally, the signal was slow near the beach. It can be shared with other users, who can also make calls using their phone numbers. It's very convenient to use, and you can even make phone calls to book restaurants locally. In some places, the terrain might be too desolate, causing the run to be a little slower than Docomo's. If there is Wi-Fi at the airport, set it up first, and then the speed will be smooth.